If you've ever wondered how brands are creating realistic UGC style videos without hiring creators, this is probably one of the biggest reasons why. Today, I'm going to show you one of Arcad's most popular features, talking actors. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your first AI generated presenter. So if you're new to Arcad, it's an AI platform built specifically for creating marketing videos and ad creatives. It combines AI actors, image generation, product videos, captions, translations, and workflow automation into one platform, making it much easier to create and test different advertising campaigns. We're going to cover all of those features throughout this series, but today we're starting with one of the easiest places to begin, talking actors. Talking actors lets you turn a simple script into a realistic presenter video in just a few minutes. Instead of filming someone yourself, you simply choose an actor, add your script, customize the voice, and let Arcad generate the finished video. Let's create one. So the first step is choosing your presenter. Arcad includes a huge library of stock AI actors. Okay guys, so let's just take a quick second for the sponsor of today's video called Lead Sniper. So Lead Sniper will help you convert leads into actual clients using a Google scraper, Google Map scraper, and a yellow scraper all in one place. So if you want to turn those leads into clients, go and check out Lead Sniper. The link will be in the description below. So let's get on with today's video. Covering different ages, styles, and personalities. I'd recommend taking a minute to browse through them and think about who best suits your audience.
Hey you, welcome to Arcad's. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads.
Hey you, welcome to our...
So if you're promoting a fitness app, for example, you might choose someone completely different than if you're advertising accounting software. Right, so I'm not going to use Helen for accounting software. I'm probably going to use someone like Charles.
Hey you, welcome to Arcad's. I'm one of the natural AI actors you.
Right, so for this demo, I'm just going to choose
AI actors
Helen.
You can use for your ads.
Choose Helen, add the actor. So there she is. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to choose a voice. There are plenty of different options available, and you can filter them by things like age, gender, and overall tone. So once we are there, we can go in there into the default, and there we go. So you can filter age, and there's the language, and then obviously you've got Roland. That is the gender, Victoria, Zoe. One tip I'd give is to always preview a few voices before generating. So let's see what this is like.
Hey you, welcome to Arcad's. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Create a script you think will work well, choose some actors,
That's all right. Or we can just stick with Zoe or Helen. But you know, sometimes changing the voice makes a huge difference to how natural the final video feels. There you can change your language and you can use it as the default. So what we'll do, we'll just stick to Helen for now, and in other videos we will show you how to change the accent. Okay, right, so there we have Helen. We haven't popped the script in yet, so let's pop in the script. Right, so for this example, what I'm going to do, we're just going to use a simple World Cup themed script. So we'll pop that in here. Now it doesn't need to be anything complicated. The main thing is writing the way someone would naturally speak on camera. Something else worth mentioning is punctuation. Question marks, commas, and full stops all help Arcad understand how the script should be delivered, making the performance sound much more natural. So here we've got it's World Cup season, which means late nights, controversial VAR decisions, and millions of people suddenly becoming football experts. Let the tournament begin. Okay, so now once we've got that, we can go into our audio settings.
It's World Cup season, which means late nights, controversial.
Right, so next we'll choose a voice. There are plenty of different options available, and you can filter them by things like age, right here, language, and gender, and overall tone. You've got all the tonage right here. You've got the speed, stability, and similarity. And you've got the style exaggeration. Okay, so if we want to try Zoe, smiling, English, American, female.
Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors.
And then we've got Vivian.
Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can...
So one tip I'd give is to always preview a few voices before generating, like I've just done then. We've got Zoe, Vivian, Virginia, right? Sometimes changing the voice makes a huge difference to how natural the final video feels. But for this demonstration, we'll stick with Helen.
It's World Cup season, which means late nights, controversial VAR decisions, and millions of people suddenly becoming football experts.
So before generating a full video, I always like to preview the voice first. It's a quick way to check the pacing and delivery before using any credits. If anything sounds slightly off, it's much easier to fix it now than afterwards.
Let the tournament begin.
Okay.
It's World Cup season, which means late nights, controversial VAR decisions, and millions of people suddenly becoming football experts. Let the tournament begin.
All right, let's slow it down a little bit. She's just whizzing through that. Takes a few moments just for it to...
It's World Cup season, which means late nights, controversial VAR decisions, and millions of people suddenly becoming football experts.
Sounds good to me. So once everything looks good, I'll click Generate Videos. Right, so it shows you there. Arcads will show you the credit costs before creating the final video, and after a few minutes, you'll have a full HD talking actor ready to download. You click Generate, and then away it goes. And here's the finished result. For a workflow that's only taken a few minutes, it's impressive how quickly you can go from a simple script to a polished talking head video. From here, you could easily swap the actor, test a different voice, or rewrite the opening to create multiple versions for different audiences. Right, let's give it a test.
It's World Cup season, which means late nights, controversial VAR decisions, and millions of people suddenly becoming football experts. Let the tournament begin.
There we go. Awesome. So you just click here to download, or if you want to remix it, you can resize, upscale, add captions, extract it. You can change the voice, remove the background, trim, and we'll get into all that on another vid. And that's how easy it is to get started with talking actors inside Arcads. It's a really simple feature to learn, but it's also one of the most powerful if you're creating regular marketing content or UGC style ads. In the next video, we'll build on this and explore another feature inside Arcads to help you get even more from the platform.